How to put digital creator on Facebook profile. Let's get started. First, open a Facebook application to see whether you can put digital creator on Facebook profile or not, as this feature is available for only some of the accounts, but let's find out. So open up your Facebook and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the three horizontal lines at the upper right corner. And now scroll down and tap on Help and Support. Select Help Center. Now from the Help Center page, you'll find the search box. Type down digital creator. Below you'll find various suggested searches as well. Tap on digital creator. And now select Access Creator Support from Facebook. Now, as you can see that this feature is only available to some people at the moment. So this means that you may not be allowed to put digital creator on your Facebook profile. So I think in this case, you just need to wait until it's available and allowed to your profile as well. So that's it. This was a tutorial on how to put digital creator on your Facebook profile. I really hope this video is going to help you find your answers. Thank you for watching till the end.